Which is called Wilson Food House.
Mga 2 years pa lang po.
2 years. Well, I'm sure you are actually doing great in the business. And also, well, I'd like to ask, ano di ba ang bestseller sa Wilson Food House?
Pinaka-bestseller namin is longganisa and bagnet.
Ayan, longganisa and bagnet. Well, syempre nga naman, it's still, of course, the authentic foods that we have here in Ilocos. Tama nga naman. Well, 2 years in the business with us, well, of course, you sell longganisa and as well as yung ating, another Ilocano food. But what is the inspiration behind those? Meron ka ba inspiration? It came from a family ba? It came from the history? Or of course, you want to take part sa tourism as well ng vegan? Ano pong inspirasyon natin as to bakit ito po yung ino-offer natin? Marami, no? Ganyan talaga. If there are actually a lot of reasons, sometimes you feel speechless. But sa tingin nyo nga po ba,